January 2013, Core 4. The first question starts with a good old bit of Core 1. Use the remainder theorem. So we're looking at doing f of something. What makes that 0? Minus a half. F of minus a half. And we're going to put that into the equation. Minus a half squared. Write it all out. It's only going to take us a second. And work it all out, and we find out the remainder is going to be minus 3. 2 marks for a bit of Core 1. Only 1 mark now to say, well, this one here is a factor of it. So I know what some people did is they did g of minus a half and worked it all out. But g of minus a half, you can actually see g of minus a half is going to be all of this that we had before, minus 3 plus d. And because it's a factor, minus 3 plus d is equal to 0. So the d must be an extra, the d must be an extra 3, mustn't it? So if we're going to add 3 to this, minus 7 add 3 makes the minus 4 that we're expecting. There's only 1 mark here for the factorising as well. You could do a long division, but it would take you too long. Look at this. You know that 2x times x squared gives you the 2x cubed. Look at the other bit. 1 times that must give the minus 4. A has got to be minus 4. So we've got 2x plus 1 times x squared minus 4. Don't stop there. It says 3 linear factors. That means we need to do the year 10 factorisation of this. X plus 2 and x minus 2. That all leads us on to this bit here. We've then got our g of x. We've just worked that out. And that's the x plus 2 and the x minus 2. And we're also clearly going to have to factorise this bottom bit here. This one's nice because there's just an x in all the places. So we've got x. And what does that leave us with? It leaves us with 2x squared minus 3x is minus 2. We've got to factorise that one as well. And it gives us the 2x plus 1 and an x minus 2 as well. And what are we going to do with that? We're going to cancel the factors. Look, there's a factor here of 2x plus 1. Cancels with that 2x plus 1. There's an x minus 2, which cancels with this x minus 2. All it leaves us with x plus 2 on the top and x on the bottom. And that's a fraction that we can split up. The x divided by x and the 2 divided by x. X divided by x is 1. Examiner said it was a nice start to the question, to the exam paper. There's the mark scheme. And actually 75% of people got 5 or more marks in it. But maybe they took too long at times.